You're late.
I'm always late. Welcome, good afternoon, welcome back to Ramsay in 10. Hope you had a great week. First off, let's say a big special thank you to the NHS. Incredible work. It's been a tough week. There have been several restrictions lifted, so we can relax a little, but just stay smart, stay alert, and be very clever. Right, steak and potatoes in 10 minutes. Tills, we have done a few of these in 10 minutes, right?
Yeah, you've done one in 10 minutes.
Thanks for the confidence, kid. That's not very nice. Let me introduce you to the team. The DOP, the Director of Photography, she is back by popular demand. The curls have gone, and the straight hair is there. Hello. Hello. Give me a little bit more than that.
What would you...
Did you wish your big sister happy birthday this morning?
I did. Did you wish your...
What? Kid, have you been on the old juice? What have you been drinking?
Water.
Water. So clear you saying that without the braces in. What did you get her for her birthday? What did you get her for her birthday?
I got her a nice wallet. What did you get her?
Oh, nice wallet. Was that one of the wallets you got for Christmas from Mum and Dad?
Oh, what do I got her? Oh, she's watching. She's not watching.
She's not watching. She's in the pub. Oh no, she's not in the pub. Pub's not open yet. Right, let's find out where my sous chef is. The little man himself. He's always around and about. Let's have a look. And there, he's camping. Hello. Hello. Excuse me, Oscar. Is that it, kid? Anything else? No? Oscar. Oh, well. Right, I said dinner in 10, and I promise that means steak and potatoes. But this is not your average steak and potatoes. This is an amazing steak and potatoes in 10 minutes.
Slow down, you're talking.
All right, I'll slow down. This is an amazing steak and potatoes. Come on, Tills, get it going. Right, let's go. Wakey. Right, first off, get your gas on. Okay, I've got a griddle pan. Pan down, Meg.
I'm Tilly.
Yeah, you're Tilly. Okay, pan down, Tilly. Pan down. No, to the bars.
But it's on.
Okay, there you go. So this is a grill, okay? I'm going to cook the steak on there. Non-stick pan. We'll do that with the soda potatoes. So I've got leftover potatoes. I'll show you that in a minute. Get the gas on nice and high. We're going to take this steak to rare, okay? And then we're going to let it rest. It goes to medium rare, and then we're going to put the most amazing chimichurri. Right, Tills, wakey. Excuse me.
Sorry.
Pan over, pan down. Ingredients, start off chimichurri. We're going to go with some crushed garlic, some beautiful spring onions, stroke scallions, and then from there, red wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, and some honey. A lot of people in the chimichurri put sugar. I don't want to see sugar in that. The honey gives it a really nice, rich, velvety texture. Herbs, I've got some fresh mint, yeah? Next to that, some beautiful parsley. Pan down, please, don't ever pick it up.
Oh,
and then next to that, I've got some beautiful, fresh basil, lime and lemon, the zest and the juice. And that's going to be the secret of the chimichurri. But here's the difference. We're going to put the chimichurri on the steak so the chimichurri absorbs inside that steak and it rests at the same time. It comes off at rare. When I say off, it literally means turn the gas off at rare, but leave the steak on there. First thing, pan's nice and hot. Steak I've taken out. Touch that, Tills, it's room temperature.
Okay. No, I believe you.
What do you mean? It's steak, girl.
No, I believe you.
So that's out the fridge. Don't cook steak straight from the fridge, okay? A little bit of olive oil in there, and then a little touch of seasoning, both sides. If you get it marinated now at room temperature, okay, it will literally cook in no time. So, if the sirloin, New York strip, is a little bit too thick, take a rolling pin and sort of roll gently over and keep them, literally, okay, nice and thin. Now, get your tongs. Once that is really nice and hot, crank up the heat, okay, from on there. Again, just a touch of oil. Pan down, please. Get that oil nice and hot. Right, watch. From there, lay the steak away from you. Tilly, lay the steak
away.
There you go. So therefore it doesn't splash. On we go. Now, from there, take your mushrooms and your tomatoes, okay? And literally get the tomatoes on there. Next, get your mushrooms and from there, give them a little seasoning, okay? So look, pan down please. Pan down. Okay, steak, tomatoes and mushrooms, okay? Lightly season them, okay? Now, here's the most important thing. We want to take advantage of that amazing grill. It's all nice and hot and you can cook beautifully like that. Three things working at once. Crank up the heat, take the potatoes and slice these new potatoes. They're leftovers, okay? Nice and thin. I want crispy sauteed potatoes. You can do wedges or halves. I just prefer these little discs, and I'll show you why. Pan down, please.
2 minutes gone.
2 minutes gone. Now, are you sure? Did you start when I actually started cooking?
Yeah, I started a bit after actually, so you've had extra time.
Okay. From there, potatoes in, okay? And literally keep them nice and flat. Now, what happens here is we're going to get some really nice colour on there. I'm only going to turn the steak once. Really important to turn that steak once.
Got one.
Okay, that's fine. Nice and crisp under there. From there, a little seasoning, salt and pepper. Now, I'm going to put some onion and garlic in there, but not yet. Pan down, please. So, you may want to turn that steak now, but don't, okay? Get underneath and just check those bars. That's what we want, okay? So don't. What we'll do is turn the mushroom. The fat's coming out of the steak and it's literally cooking the mushrooms beautifully. The tomatoes are caramelizing, all that flavour's going there as well. Now, from there, chimichurri. This is a really nice recipe and it's so rich and delicious. First off, get your garlic, okay? Garlic in, I'm going to crush the garlic straight in to the pestle mortar, okay? From there, off. Another clove and in again. I'm going to go half this time there, okay? And the other half, I'm going to go over the potatoes, okay? A touch of garlic. Now, if you haven't got the crusher, you can slice it, but the garlic over the potatoes, so good. So, so good. Now, from there, give them a little toss.
Oh.
Pan down, please, pan down, pan down. And then from there, a little bit of butter. Excuse me, I've forgotten the butter. I'll be back in a sec. You told me we got set up.
You were the one setting up. You're wasting time.
Yeah, I know, but you said everything was here.
You're in charge of setting up. Don't blame me.
You're supposed to be my sous chef. Right, a small knob of butter in there. Just a touch, okay? Now look, pan down, please.
6 minutes left.
Gotcha. From there, take your onion. Now this is optional, okay? But the flavour of the onions and the garlic in with those potatoes is delicious, okay? Now, steak's been on for 2 minutes. And from there, slice those onions up and go in over the potatoes. Roll them around, beautiful. Okay, the butter helps to caramelise and that beautiful flavour. Now, finishing soda potatoes with butter is a big must. Hold a little bit of parsley back. Time to flip the steak. Check this out. Pan down, please. Look at that. Beautiful. That is the most amazing sear. Now, look at that. So beautiful. And from there, I'm going to put a little touch of butter onto the grill now. Beautiful. Now we're moving, okay? Potatoes and garlic working, steak, tomatoes and mushrooms all starting to happen. Now, chimichurri. Crushed garlic in there. Take your mint, take your basil, and take your parsley and roll it up nice and tightly, okay? Scrunch it up. Pan nice and close, please. And don't over chop this, okay? Just chop it once. If we go through that again, it's going to bleed. I want all that flavour inside that garlic there. Beautiful. Now, from there, I want a little bit of heat inside this chimichurri. So, I've got a chilli.
Oh, really?
No, come on, Tills, literally.
I'm not having it then.
Come on, nice and fine, seeds in. Look, this is amazing. The longer you can marinate on top of that steak, the better. And we want the steak to be a really nice sort of medium rare. From there, chili's in. Now watch. 2 nice tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in, okay? A tablespoon of red wine vinegar, pan down, in. From there, a nice tablespoon of beautiful runny honey.
Runny honey.
Runny honey, okay? A nice touch of seasoning, and then look, you get in there.
4 minutes to go.
And you mix.
Are you going to make it today?
We are definitely going to make it today. Now, watch, pan down please. Pan down. I'm grinding that up there now, and that is a beautiful flavour, okay? The chili, the garlic, the herbs are bleeding in terms of flavour, and look at it. Beautiful. Now, from there, this is where it starts to go up a notch. Check the steak out. Okay?
Oh,
Hello. Hey.
Oscar!
Look at that there now. So, from there, turn the gas off. Turn that off. Pan up, please. That's a rare. It's going to go to medium rare, but turn off the gas. Now, take your spring onions, okay, and take the ends, which are the sort of the bits that all the chefs throw away. Now, once we get to the bright bases, okay, I want the tops of the greens thrown into the potatoes, okay, beautifully done. And I want these really nice bright pieces like this into the chimichurri, okay? And then finally...
3 minutes to go.
Okay, madame. Meg, happy birthday, darling. 22 years of age. Oh my goodness me. Now you're legally, you can do anything you want.
Do that at 21.
21 or 22?
I thought it was 21.
But promise me you'll never smoke dope.
Oh.
Can you hear me, Meg? Promise me. Right. Right now, pan down. Now look, it needs a touch more olive oil, okay? How long left to go, please? Time?
You have 2 minutes 20 seconds.
Okay, good. Lemon zest in there, okay? In she goes. From there, look at those potatoes. They come off now. Beautifully done. Fresh lemon juice over the chimichurri. Pan in, please. Can you pan in there?
I'm panned in already.
And this is where it goes up a level. Watch. Okay, now, that is so delicious. Come over, please.
I'm over.
Sit that on top of the steak, okay?
Yum.
That is going to continue cooking. It's going to go from rare to medium rare. But the marinade is going to be absolutely incredible, okay? And like I said, that honey, the flavour is out of this world. Now, take the rest of your parsley and just very quickly chop. How long got left, please?
You have got 1 minute 20
that.
seconds.
With beautiful flat leaf parsley. Now,
Are you going to make
look,
it this week, Dad?
We're going to... Damn, I forgot my rosemary. Rosemary goes in with the steak to flavour it. I didn't forget it. I left it with a minute to go. Right. Now for the exciting part. Pan down, please. Pan down. Come down.
Onto an empty plate.
Say that again?
Onto an empty plate.
No. Right. First off, build this beautifully. Mushrooms. Okay. On. And there. I'm going to take my tomatoes. Look at those tomatoes. Come on. Seriously.
Maybe a bit burnt.
That, are you kidding me?
Look at them.
They are not burnt. Stop that. And then,
I mean,
look.
they are a bit.
They are not burnt.
They are a bit.
Time left, please.
You have got 30 seconds to
There we
go.
Soak the potatoes on. And then from there, I'm going to lift up this beautiful steak.
Oscar.
Place that on there. And then just take your chimichurri and just drizzle that lightly. And I cannot believe this, but the first time in 7 weeks, I am well under.
Look, you've even got 15 seconds spare.
And there you go. The most amazing steak and potatoes with a delicious, fragrant chimichurri, all in aid of Megan Jane Elizabeth Ramsay's 22nd birthday.
Elizabeth is my middle name. Yeah, that's my middle name.
Time? That's not Megan's middle name?
No, it's Megan Jane Ramsay. And I'm Matilda Elizabeth.
You think I know that after 22 years? Happy birthday, Meg. We miss you and we love you.
We love you, Meg. Oh.